Island Hair and Nails. And I'm Karen Brown with the Outer Banks Chamber, and I'm also a client. Isn't that like the hair commercial, right? The Outer Banks Chamber is the largest business organization in the region, and we do service Currituck County, Dare County, and Ocracoke Island. So we have over 1,060 members. So it's a really great support network, good opportunity for business-to-business networking for all of our members. So it'll be a great investment for you guys in the chamber. To have Malin White with us today. Malin is our incoming chair-elect for the chamber. He'll be our chairman of the board in October. So thank you. And he's also with the North Carolina Aquarium. So thank you for being here. Also have a few ambassadors with us today. I have Talmadge Davis with Outer Banks Beach Realty and Sales. And we have the OBX Bank girls. We have Phyllis Neal, Dee McManus, and Kay Jones here. So thank you for being here. And we have two of our county commissioners with us today. We have Wally Overman is here and Virginia Tillett. If one of you would like to say a few words on behalf of the county.
I certainly would. On behalf of the Dare County Board of Commissioners, and you met my friend, Wally Overman. We'd like to welcome you, Doris, even though you've been here for a number of years. I've been in here and you have remodeled and it is great. But we welcome you to becoming a member of the Outer Banks Chamber of Commerce and staying a business partner for the citizens of Dare County. Welcome, and let us know if we can do anything. Thank you.
And we do want to introduce Bill Rainey, who is providing the wonderful music out there today. So thank you, Bill, for putting up with the heat.
Thank you, Doris, for all your help with us.
Anytime. And with that, I'm going to introduce Doris Mann. She can introduce her team and tell you about the products and services that they offer.
Doris, I'm going to cut this down while you're talking.
Oh, that's fine. That's good. I'm Doris Moran, and Laura Beasley, she's a nail tech, and Heather Etheridge is a stylist. Laura offers all kinds of nail techniques, pedicures, manicures, acrylic, gel nails, shellac. It goes on and on and on.
Gel nails?
Gel nails. Heather and I both, we color, foil, do great haircuts, just about everything that anybody wants in here.
And your hours?
And our hours are from 8:30 to 6:30, Tuesday through Saturday.
And Doris is always here.
She is always
Even past those hours.
Yeah, later than 6:30. Yeah.
She's the first hair person I've had that lets me text her. So.
I want to do that, but hey, it's a little world now.
So that's a nice service too. Well, we're going to